Hi everybody, welcome back to the Typeset's LaTeX tutorial series. In this video, I am going to walk you through the process of inserting tables and formatting them in a LaTeX document. First, open the LaTeX editor. Most of the commands used here have been explained in our previous videos. Make sure to watch all of it to get a good understanding of how to write your paper in LaTeX. Let's get started with the new commands and packages shown in this video. Begin table. This is an environment that contains the commands like caption, label, and positioning of the table. Begin center. This tells the LaTeX engine that the table will be in the center alignment. You can also use the same command to align the table to the left and the right by replacing the text within the curly brackets. Caption. This provides a name to the table. You can name your table as desired. I have named it Your First Table. Begin tabular. This is again an environment that contains the real structure of the table, that is, rows and columns and the data inside them. After entering the command, in the curly brackets I have written L, C and R separated by pipe. It means that the table will contain 3 columns and the data inside these 3 columns will be in the left, center and right alignments respectively. Pipes are used for generating separation lines between the columns. Hline. It is a command that is used to generate horizontal lines in the table. It can be used as many times as required. Ampersand and double backslash. Each ampersand functions as a cell separator and the double backslash represents the end of the row. In the current document, in total I have used 4 rows with different data. At last, since different environments were used, you need to end those by using the end command for the table as well as tabular. And that's it. The document can end with the end document command. Let's save the document and click the green play icon at the top left to typeset the document and view the output. There it is. We have the output as expected. Moving on, in this part I am going to explain how you can merge rows and make a multi-row in your table. The entire code is the same as the one shown in the beginning of this video, except for a few changes. Let me explain those changes to you. Use package multi-row. To make multi-rows in a table in LaTeX, a special package like multi-row has to be used. This enables LaTeX to merge rows easily. Multi-row command. This command generally considers 3 parameters. The first curly bracket represents the number of rows to be merged. In this document, I have merged 3 rows. Width of the column. Here, I have fixed the width of the column as 4m or 4 picas. You can fix it as desired. The content of the cell is given in the last curly bracket to write the contents in the multi-row. I have used the term multiple row as the content for this multi-row. The document ends as usual with the environments, that is, the table and the tabular ending first followed by the entire document. Let me save the file and show you the output by clicking the Typeset button. And here it is. The output shows the merged column with name and multiple rows. Moving ahead, in this part I am going to tell you how you can assign colors to your table. Additionally, you can learn how to use alternate colors in different rows of the table along with the customization of the table or the cell dimensions. The code used here is the same except for a few additional commands which I will now explain. Use package table xcolor. This package tells the LaTeX engine that different colors can be used in the document. Set length. This command fixes the length or the width of different parts of the table as well as for the whole document. When this command is used with array rule width, it fixes the width of the outer boundary of the table. You can fix the outer boundary as per your choice. Here I have set it as 0.5 mm in the last curly bracket. Moreover, you can use the set length with another command, that is tab call sep. This one fixes the separation between the table boundary and the cell contents. Here I have set it fixed at 18 points. Feel free to choose different options for your document. Renew command with array stretch. This one sets the row height relative to its default height. Here I have used a height of 2.5 in the last curly bracket. Row colors. It is a command and it consists of 3 parameters all within the bracket. The first bracket tells where the coloring will start. The second one refers to the color coding of odd rows and the third bracket refers to the color coding of the even rows. I have used 2 colors, namely green and yellow, in different intensities as I am using alternate colors for alternate rows. You can refer to the xcolor package to understand the color coding and its availability. Begin tabular. It directs the LaTeX engine to start the tabular environment. The bracket after this represents the number of columns, content alignment in that, and its width. Here I have used P, which denotes the cell content will be displayed at the top, and 3cm refers to the cell size. Additionally, you can use M for the middle and B for bottom with dimensions as required. The pipes as usual represent the column separators. Multi-column. This is the command consisting of 3 parameters to merge columns. The first bracket after the command represents the number of columns that are merged. The second one represents the alignment of the contents inside that. The last bracket is used to represent the content of the multi-column. Here in this current document, I have chosen to merge 3 columns with center alignment and content inside it as codes. And that's it. Everything else is similar to the previous document. The document ends as usual with the environment tabular ending first and then entire document. Let's go ahead and typeset the document and check out our output. There you have it. The output is as we wanted, with alternate colors and alternate columns. Hope this video was informative. Please feel free to write your questions in the comments and I'll cover it in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.